Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block somebody on Facebook Messenger. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to block somebody on Messenger, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after that, we'll be required to open the chat box of the person we want to block. For me, it will be this person. After that, now to block this person, you can see the information icon or the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the eye icon over here, and after that, when you scroll down a little bit, you can see the block option up here. Over here, click on block, and again tap on block over here, and again tap on block, and you will have successfully blocked your person whom you wanted to block on Facebook Messenger app. And there guys, this is how you block somebody on Facebook Messenger app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.